I'm talking big wop on us. She wanna throw it all on us. She tryna blow it all on us. Is it more than us?
I know push. Let's go be on a roof. I let me see a big cage when we push. My tens with the glags them. I don't know I'm track them. Start them, whack them.
What's up guys, welcome back to our next epic vlog with your boy J Gola here today. As well, you can see I'm starting off the vlog different now by film. We in the city with it. Now I saw me by Moti and Son's Pet Shop. You dig? Lightning nice here now by, so I still I'ma just come and start off the vlog in a different, you feel me, different area now by. You know you have to switch it up, you feel me? I just wanted to come and ride in the city now by, and I can't not resist not vlogging dog, you feel me? I have to vlog dog, so I know how to bring out the camera too as long with the bike now. But anytime I using this bike dog, because I ain't really like to ride this bike again, like I said, all I grow it out now, but you feel me? I kinda outgrow it now, but I told now, you feel me? I kinda outgrow it and I will switch it up now, but so yeah, anytime I bring out the bike, follow ride and a little cruise and thing whenever I board, I just always have to vlog now, but yeah, we starting it off in the city as well, you can see. Sand road kinda busy, but out here nice now, but for me, I just like the lightning, but the lightning real sweet and nice out there. But yeah, we're gonna go for the ride and I have to vlog, so bring it out. Son, I'll just catch all as we go on the road now, boy. I know how this vlog can be. Let me see where the vlogs take us. Let's go. Let we off. Son, we're on the road with it, dog. Ready? That's outside. When I ride to go at the pet shop, dog, I forget how fast the bike was, dog. I ride without camera now, boy. I forget how fast this bike was, dog. Like I tell on it, dog. I just only vlog when I ride in this bike. That's the only time when I use this bike, dog. Yeah. Oh, bye. Well, we outside. I just mostly take night rides, if I'm cruising during the night. I'm tired, dog, but yeah, we gotta go up this hill now. Yeah, a little pressure. Yeah. Make it up. Going up a hill out there. Oh, there's a little pressure with the 52 gear. But we gonna make it all. They don't know me, dog. Have to be careful on the road too. Watch your back and thing now, right, dig? Yeah, we going on a steep hill now. Son, I surely this on a vlog already. Just go and find it. Yeah. Steep hill, guys. Just pure speed. Stand me. Yes, sir. You outside. Pushing up the bike up the hill now, yeah? Understand? Because I had the camera in my hand. I threw me off now, man. Throw off my rhythm. But yeah. We on it, dog. We're not letting nothing stop we. Yeah, we have 4-star road now. I'm pulling one in these roads here. Tender Bar Savannah now, way. Just like last time. In that road right there, so. Yeah. In this road here, so we gonna end up Bar Savannah. The difference is this vlog is in the night. The last one was in the day now, way. Dog and Excel. Oh. Speed bump, dog. Another one. We gotta go up this hill now. Well, I made it up. My second hill so far. This should be the last one, you dig? Yo, I almost reached Savannah. And this dead road now. I'm gonna vlog till I reach it, dog. Yeah, we in the right path. I seen the shop here. Yeah. We are not a hill, boy. I got behind my day. Well, we are approaching the Savannah right now. There's nobody in it. Perfect. Pull up in this vehicle. Not that speed. Fully CM. We're pulling up in the Savannah here now. Mash brakes, mash brakes. That was a stump right there, so. Yep. Yes, I pull up on the Savannah, dog. Yeah, best time to come here. Right. Bring down there. Make sure you see the GT. Gotta flip it. And we GT. You understand? Yeah, we in the Savannah. Best time to pull up. Nobody here. Grass clean. That's really nice now, boy, for me. Very nice with the bike. You dig? We out there. Fully CM, wherever we go. Yeah, pull up here the bike as all you can see. I just be trying to get a good thumbnail now. Understand? Yeah, I doubt that come out good. But yeah, we here. We here in the Savannah with it. So me let you run up here quick. Real pigeon shit there. That's how I pull up by the Savannah on the bike. You understand? Savannah ride, cool night Savannah ride, you dig? Yeah. Real pigeon shit, dog. Good. And it's men stinking. Hey, out there, nobody left, dog. You understand? That's how I say.
Wicked and bad man, wicked and bad, insipid. Don't chat rain all like lightning. Who the fuck boots him up and hyping? I know blood clot, law we are hiding. In the middle of the night we strike him. Rima, humble, schema, stay gas, rubber grip, hallotic. What you know about this? When the gun starts spit and the bullet them flick. Pull up on them hands, turn them in a target. R.I.P.
Yes, sir. We in the Savannah part now. Bike all the way over there. Son, place quiet and breezy. I sacrificing it for it out because after this my bike had to go inside and I said, man, gonna have to go through that paint to clean my bike, dog. I'm doing this all for it. Watch mud day. Son, and don't talk for down so. Son, all I mightn't see it, but I know. You feel me? But yeah, we out here, dog. Just out there chilling. Here's a good place to drift, mate. You dig? here's a good place to drift. If my bike was mashed back or had any skaters back bricks, I'd definitely come here and drift and dirty it up for you. But yeah, we just out there. I just come to chill. You understand? Let's come to chill. And why not vlog, dog? I'll be wasting my time. You understand? Even though I come for my own reasoning, I also have to vlog for all your reasoning, you feel me? So yeah, make sure like, comment and subscribe, dog. You feel me? YouTube analytics tell me that 50% of all that is watching my channel not subscribe, dog. Like one way, all I hate me, all I don't want to see me blow up. You feel me? Subscribe now, boy. You go just spread the love now, boy. I just spread the love. I'm not a negative person. Spread the love, please. Let me make it. I'm gonna get 1,000 subscribers and more. You dig? So please subscribe, like and comment, and also share to your friend to see this amazing vlogs that this youth man Jagola from CM, you understand, Coal Mine, is bringing. You feel me? So yeah, I looking to press out from here now. Look at this wonderful bike for sale. You understand? If you want to buy it, hit me up on Instagram at jagola._cm. You dig? This is my last time seeing it, dog. This bike is for sale for the longest while. You dig? And nobody what is beautiful masterpiece, dog. But yeah, I'll catch you all as you go. Fully CM. Y'all there, some rain catch me, boy. Hey, boy. Some rain catch me. Now, son, I know looking to bus out from here now, you dig? And some rain catch me, boy. Yes, sir. And I need for my bike to get dirty, dog. This road going dirty up my bike now. Real mud going splash up on it now. Yes, sir. But why they said if you going to fall and not buy it up, you dig? But that small thing, just out there. Enjoy the moment and don't fuss. You dig? Catch all as I go back. I have to put my bike on and it shed down the kind of thing. And it's still going to get dirty. The rain is finally done. You feel me? Have a little few dribbles. You understand? Catch all as I go because I had to hop on this wet road now, baby. Wet road, guys. Wet road equals dirty bike, you dig? Still have a few drizzles. Son, what you are doing for left?
Set free, baby, touch up on your body if you know you're sexy. Know you have it, I'ma fuck you get till you get weak. Can't you tell me so she never had another like me? Must say, baby, your pussy very pretty and clean. Up sexy, I hope she don't think that I'm mean. Wonder why she not leave me. Pretty Barbie, turn the bad freak, yeah, the body unleashed. Cause of me, some love it and the wine and 10%. Get the body good, and I need nobody else, cocky up.
You all are heading back home now. Road wet. Well, rain, dog. You dig? Well, we outside. We outside, dog. Whee! Almost bust my tire, right? Refine look too full now. Refine come down yet. Right across on the road, guys. Oh, we're outside up. We're outside.